Hi! In this video, we'll walk you through setting up shipping options for your store in Store.link. Let's get started. Open your Store.link dashboard and navigate to the Settings page. Click on the Shipping tab. Here, you'll see two predefined shipping methods, pickup and delivery. Enable the pickup option if your store offers in-store pickup. Let's click on the gear icon here to see the options. Here, you can rename this shipping method, and if you have multiple pickup locations, you can add them here. Let's say we want to add 2 locations. So we'll type in the first location, then add a comma, and add the second location, and then press Enter. Once it's all set, click on Update. For delivery, let's turn on the option and customize its rules. Let's set a fixed delivery fee under shipping fee. We'll give it $10 here. Optionally, you can require a minimum order amount to activate delivery. Let's set it to $50 here. This ensures smaller orders don't face unnecessary delivery costs. Want to offer free delivery for high-value orders? You can set a threshold under Free Above. Let's set it to $500 here. Orders exceeding this amount won't have delivery charges. Next, you can customize the delivery address fields you need to collect from your customers for each shipping method. This may be important because different shipping partners may need different address details. For example, let's rename the zip code as P.O. Box and make it a required field. Finally, remember to save your changes. All right, let's preview the store. Now we have a few items in the shopping cart. Let's proceed to checkout. You will see the available shipping options. Pickup is always free, and customers can select the pickup location from this drop-down menu. Delivery, however, requires an address and adds the set fee, $10 in this example. Oh, and by the way, you can also see that this field asks for the P.O. Box number, which we have previously set. Now, let's increase the order total to over the Free Above amount, in this case above $500. Notice how the shipping amount becomes free, even with the delivery option selected. Back in the shipping settings, you can add more delivery methods as you prefer. Click on Add Shipping to create options with different rates based on the order amount. For example, you can offer an express delivery with a higher fee, and also customize the address fields according to your preference. You can also rearrange your shipping methods to prioritize your preferred options. By following these steps, you can easily configure shipping options for your Store.link website, providing greater flexibility and clarity for your customers. If you have any questions, please visit storelink.help.center